Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate the divergence of a following vector field. So now we are given with this following vector field over here, which is it has three components I, J and K. So it has given the first, this component is x squared y z I plus x y squared z in, for this is in the J component, and x y z squared in the K component. So from this is a 3D vector, three-dimensional vector, as you have vectors in the 3 dimension. So now our job is to calculate the divergence of this vector. So how do we do it? Simple. So the formula to find the divergence of the vector is the dot product of the partial derivatives and v. So now how do we do this? This one can be written as the partial derivative of x of the vector partial derivative of x in the I component plus the partial derivatives of y in the J component plus the partial derivative of z in the K component, dot product your vector, which is x square y z I plus x y square z j plus x y z square k. So from this, let's present it in a nicer way so that we can understand it. So it's equals to partial derivative of x, partial derivatives of y, partial derivatives of z, dot product x square y z x y square z x y z square. So this is your I component, the J component and K component. The same for this is the I, J, K. So now let's apply the dot product as we have already applied in our previous videos. So from here is equals to partial derivative of this. So we do this, sorry about this. Okay, so it's x squared yz plus this. So let me do this and I'll further explain to you this. So remember we learned in our dot product for this, so this times this times this, and this times this. So with this, I do a partial derivative with respect to x for this component, and I do a partial derivative with respect to y for this component, which is here, and a partial derivative with respect to z for this component over here. So now let's clean this up. Okay, so it's equals to this again, sorry. So now let's do this. So this one you get 2x, so it's 2x y z plus, so now we just do it for the y component, which is this, so it's 2y, so 2x y z plus, for this the z component for this is 2z, so it's 2x y z. So for this, you notice they are similar here, So therefore we can write 6x, y, z. So therefore the divergence of f, x, y, z for this one is equals to 6x, y, z. With that, we have already come to the end of this lesson in learning how to calculate the divergence. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment and I will reply to your comment. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.